there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we'll be evaluating expressions, the values of x equals -3, y equals 6, and z equals -4. So what that means is we're simply going to be substituting these values in place of the variable. Notice on problem A, in place of the x, I'll put -3. In place of the y, I'll put 6. In place of z, -4. Now, inside of my absolute value symbols, which are those vertical lines there, I'm going to add -3 plus 6 gives me 3, plus -4 gives me -1. Now I'm going to do the absolute value of -1, which, as a side note, absolute value always makes whatever is inside the value makes it positive. So the absolute value of -1 would be +1. And that's my final answer here. Let's do one more just like that. For problem B here, notice that I have 3x. So if I'm going to substitute -3 in for x, that now becomes 3 times -3 minus 2y. That becomes 2 times 6 plus z, which is -4. Now the order of operations tells us we have to multiply first. So 3 times -3 gives me -9. And 2 times 6 gives me 12. And then we add -4. So now we'll add -9 minus 12. That'll give me -21. And -21 times -21 plus -4 gives me -25 as my value here. So you can see we are substituting values in for the variables, and then we are evaluating to find the numerical answer using the order of operations. All right, friends, have a great day.